कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि.
Creator Brahmaji has created all the creatures in different classes and shapes and has given different shapes to their organs. In ancient times, a sage named Samudra gave deep insight into the auspicious, inauspiciousness of human organs and practiced organology. This philosophy came to be known as Samudrik Shastra. In this, the method of knowing the future of a person is described by looking at the organs. There is also a description of the superior and great qualities of a person's organs in the Samudrik Shastra. The auspicious, inauspicious symptoms of female organs are best when the soles of feet of women are red, smooth, flat, hot, and free of sweat. Soup-shaped, unformed soles are a sign of bad luck. Swastik chakra and conch shells, etc., are the signs of Raj Yoga in the soles. The rat and snake-shaped lines are the inauspicious pointers. If the toes of women are tall, muscular, and round, then they are auspicious. Small, crooked, and sticky toes are destructive. The toes of women are fine if they are round and high, with a thick, dense appearance. A woman with extremely long fingers is prone to grief. A woman with small fingers has short life. Nails of the feet of women are said to be auspicious if they are round, smooth, and are of blood color like copper color. The arms where the bone joints are unseen, such soft and straight arms of women devoid of nerves and follicles are said to be paved. A woman with an arm with thick hair is prone to become a widow. A woman with short arms is unfortunate woman. Women with beautiful fingers having large knuckles moving out from round palm towards the nails are auspicious. Very small, thin, crooked, perforated, extremely thick fingers with follicles at the back are inauspicious and troublesome. A woman whose face is round, beautiful, synchronous, fleshy, fragrant, and having a face similar to her father's face is said to be hot-headed and dominating woman. Women with eyes having red corners and black pupils are said to be dominating. In addition to the pupils, if the remaining part of the eye is white, large eyes, attractive eyes, and black eyebrows, then that woman is auspicious. Women with black panoramic bowed eyebrows are said to be superior, with soft furrows not attached to each other. If the place of putting vermilion on the head of the woman is straight and surface is slightly mounted one, that woman is an auspicious woman. Women with light black, thick, smooth forehead hairs, coil shaped, is said to be perfect.